Good evening, everyone. I want to welcome you to my channel, Dollars Make Sense. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about a website called Instagc. It's a get paid to site. Hope you guys like this video. Do not forget to stay to the end of the video because I have two gifts I want to give you for absolutely free. Let's get into the video. Now, remember I said Instagc is a get paid to site. You get paid to watch videos, take surveys, do offer. So what I like to do on this page, and you let it load and you get points for it. So if I clicked on Instagc here, this is just an example, click on it, you will then get 1 point. So that's the first thing I do when I come on here. I do on tab and I click on recommended. What I recommend is Instagc, of course. AdWall Hideout TV, from what I hear, is exploding right now. I see tons of videos on hideout.tv. You guys can get points for watching videos, and those videos, you can add those points to your balance here, and your points will go up even higher, and you can get out to cash outs faster, from what I hear. Peanut Labs is another good one. You can do surveys and also get disqualification points. Theorem Reach has been added. This is a new. It's a lot like Tap Research. You can get disqualification points for this. .gg, this is a new one as well. They have Tap Research here. See, they have these are all the surveys they have here. Tap into Tap Research, and also your surveys. This is another good one. I keep hearing tons of good things about your survey. Download apps. Here's all the apps. You guys can click on this and find out where you can download all the apps on the offer walls they have here. You can click on trial, a whole bunch of trial offers. So when you're watching your videos, you leave the window open so you guys can get credited properly, or else it will not credit you. So I have 29 points to 95 cents. And this says weekly bonus. I don't have a weekly bonus. 4 completions. I have 4 referrals. Your name. This is where you're going to find all your information here, your accounts and all this. Refer your friends. Referral link. You can find that here. Also, the gift card store. Let me show you guys this. Let's click on other rewards. This is where you guys want to come. And I would direct deposit is what I've chosen. PayPal, you have to get. Let me show you. You must redeem $50 in other cash rewards or gift cards in order to gain PayPal access. So you would have to cash out $50, 5,000 points, in other cash rewards or gift cards to receive PayPal option. Okay, for that. Bitcoin, direct deposit, I choose direct deposit, or a Visa gift card. I choose direct deposit. It takes, I think, one to 2 business days, and then you can come in here and you'll get paid. So once you reach 500 points, that's $5. It goes directly to your bank. And there you go. Great site. I've been a part of it for a while now. I found out about it because I was watching YouTube one day. Found out a lot of tips and tricks I could talk about on it. I'm sharing it with you guys. So that's basically it on Instagc. So if you stayed, I would like to present to you your free gift. For staying to the end of this video, I present to you your free gift. Get red hot leads from Snapchat. 100% free video training on dominating Snapchat. Get tons of leads and money anytime you want. Hope you guys enjoy your free gift. In order to receive this free gift, tap on the Get Course button. This will be sent to your email. You will then open that email and click on the link that you receive, and it will take you to a page that looks like this. Here's your free Snapchat masterclass. I really hope you guys enjoy this training. I'm going to be previous on Snapchat because I would like to about Snapchat if you're interested in learning more about it. If you scroll all the way to the bottom here, I had 2 gifts. One was a free gift about your training, marketing, free marketing training. Second one is a free bonus. You will be taken to it and you guys to enjoy it. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Tap on the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. Take care.